End-to-end testing has historically presented a formidable challenge for enterprises as they wrestle with the intricacies of sophisticated infrastructure, an array of testing environments, the daunting task of scaling automation, and the relentless demands of industry-specific regulations. Achieving synergy is the key to overcoming these challenges, as careful planning, coordination, and integration of tools enable seamless teamwork and peak performance. The solution lies in streamlining test automation infrastructure or embracing a comprehensive testing environment. The simplified approach not only maintains test quality but also eases the management and maintenance burden. Ultimately, the industry demands a unified test execution environment where end-to-end test scripts can be orchestrated and executed with precision. The innovative approach holds the potential to revolutionize the way enterprises tackle testing challenges and paving way for the new era of testing performance. LambdaTest, a trailblazer in the world of end-to-end test orchestration, provides a groundbreaking solution to the challenges faced by enterprises. By providing a unified execution environment, LambdaTest empowers organizations to overcome the complexities in their end-to-end testing processes. One of the LambdaTest's key strengths lies in its support for multiple automation tools. This flexibility ensures that enterprises can seamlessly integrate their preferred toolings into the platform and enhancing efficiency and reducing the learning curve for their team members. No matter which automation tools your organization relies on, LambdaTest platform is designed to accommodate and streamline their integration. LambdaTest focuses on optimizing test execution, orchestration, providing deep analytics, and triaging support. The platform significantly reduces the feedback time, ensuring that issues are quickly identified and addressed. Its catch-all cloud environment enables real-time collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together and streamline their testing efforts. In addition to a comprehensive testing environment, LambdaTest offers a secure and very scalable infrastructure, providing peace of mind to enterprises operating in regulated industries. This ensures the compliance with industry standards, regulations without sacrificing performance or efficiency. By prioritizing security and scalability, LambdaTest allows organizations to focus on improving their testing processes while remaining confident in the platform's ability to support their growth. LambdaTest's powerful analytics capabilities give enterprises a very deep dive into the testing data to identify trends and uncover insights that can improve their testing strategies and processes. By leveraging this information, organizations can fine-tune their testing strategies and ensure the highest quality product is delivered to their end customers. Now let me provide you a brief glimpse to our unified execution platform powered by HyperExecute. The core strength of this platform comes into the fact that it's agnostic to testing framework and language runtimes. It can accommodate all the testing tools that your team is using and by providing a catch-all cloud to your organization. This is made possible by a highly descriptive YAML file, and this YAML file makes sure that your code is not being littered with configuration settings. All it takes for an end user is to create a YAML file, just provide very basic settings like the end operating system on which you want to run the test cases, the number of concurrency, as well as various other steps to configure your testing environment. Now, this provides you a lot of flexibility, which makes sense if you're trying to run a complex environment having lots of desktop applications, microservices, and various other packages. Now, the way it works is by capturing all the test cases defined via YAML file and throwing them to the infrastructure created just in time. And from there, the platform takes over and abstracts away all the intricacies of configuring the newer infrastructure, distributing the test cases, running them, and providing the end results. At this, HyperExecute shines where lots of different test cases are being added at a regular basis, where the orchestration will automatically distribute the test cases across available infrastructure so that a test finishes its execution in the least time possible. Now, another common trait of the testing teams is to retry the test case if it fails. And before, they had to wait for the entire cycle to finish, and then they would execute it manually. But HyperExecute takes away all that pain by immediately rerunning all the failed test cases up to configured number of times so that your teams don't have to write that code by themselves. And at the end, the result looks like this, that no matter how many tests you throw at the system, the platform will make sure that's going to strictly distribute the test cases in a highly efficient manner so that all the available nodes are finishing their execution in almost the same time, no matter what, how many times a retry has been done or how many new different test cases have occurred. And this particular view makes it very simple for the end user to figure out what went wrong, but quickly going to a test and figuring out the error by searching for it, as you can see here. And then if they require any further insights on the browser part of the story, they can quickly go to LambdaTest screen where we show the browser logs, the command logs, and a variety of different stuff. And finally, by using its proprietary technology, HyperExecute is able to find correlation between the test cases and the Git commits. And it allows HyperExecute to show some very interesting data and trends. For example, if a newly added test cases have a flakiness, HyperExecute can block that test case at the pull request level. Users will get a high-level view of why this pull request is rejected and will get to know that newly added test cases is flaky. And apart from that, it allows different operations like auto muting of consistently failing and flaky test cases. With all this, HyperExecute is going to change the way enterprises do their end-to-end testing. Thank you so much.